Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Thursday. It's day 108 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And thank you guys for being here and for watching. For those of you that have been with us for a while, thank you so much for sticking with us and watching every day. And for those of you that are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on the daily videos that we post.
So guys, today we wanted to show you our progress on the fence project. So it's coming along. You can see behind us, we've got some posts up and we got some panels over here. And so we're just coming right along. It's slow, but it's steady.
We're loving the fence so far, you guys. This looks amazing. We showed you the other day how bad the old fence was. It was falling down. It was really old.
It was bad.
So Sean's had a lot of fun with demo. I helped a little bit.
So has Allison.
And we together have got the post set and hung the panels, and we're just working our way up the line.
Yep.
And we wanted to show you.
So here's our first panels we were able to put up yesterday. And we started a little late, but we got things in the grounds, and some of it was hard digging, some of them not so much. And yeah, we just dug the holes, threw some gravel in the base for some drainage to help the posts so they don't rot as fast. Then we put in the concrete and mixed in the water in the hole, and here we are. You can see things are braced because we weren't aware of it, but there was no Quickcrete available at the store, and so we had to go with the next best thing that was available because supplies are low on everything. And so we went with just regular concrete. It's going to take a little bit longer to cure, but it's still going to be really staunch and strong, and it's going to be awesome.
We love this dog-eared look. So we were really happy to find those and find that they had enough for us. They even threw in a couple extras.
Yep.
Now, sorry about all this junk down here. We actually put our fence up a little higher, which we love, but it's kind of a big gap at the bottom.
Yep. But to make sure everything was level and matched up on the corner, we needed to bring them up a little bit higher, and we plan on filling this in with some gravel and kind of redoing this whole area, so that'll be fun. So guys, here's where we ended last night, and so we're going to start up again today. We've got our string, you can see there, that's our line for our fence line. And so you want to put a line up so you have a straight line so you can keep your fence straight and know where your next fence posts need to go, and so it all matches. That's pretty important, otherwise you're going to look kind of zigzaggy and it's not going to be a straight fence line. And for most fence lines, unless there's some reason you don't want a straight line, you want to keep it as straight as possible.
We are going to get to work with these panels, getting these installed. We'll see how far we get today, and we're pretty excited to get started.
Yep, we got some holes to dig, we got some old fence posts and concrete to dig out, and yeah, so a little bit more demo. It's going to be great.
So you saw some of the work from today. We have a little bit more to go before we end for the night. We're both really tired, but we're loving the process.
Yep, everybody, it's been fun putting up these panels and doing this project. We're going to wrap it up hopefully in the next couple days, and we can give you an update once it's done.
Yeah, it's so fun seeing it all come together. When you have your plan and then you start seeing it come to life, it's such a great feeling.
So with that, make sure to leave your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, so don't miss out on that. It'll be a new plant for the week. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys, and we look forward to seeing you here.
Yep, same garden time, same garden place.
That's right. And thank you so much for being here and for watching.
Yep. Till tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.